If you are thinking about remodeling your home, but you are worried about stress, delay, or wrong decisions, this video is for you. Because a home remodel should feel exciting, not overwhelming. Most homeowners start the remodeling journey excited, but after they are talking to few contractors, things getting confusing. Different opinions, unclear timeline and budget, big design decisions without clear direction. And one big question: what if I spend this much of money and at the end I don't love it? My name is Ali Meshktar. I have a master in civil engineering and I am 2 times national award-winning designer. My partner Kevin and I help people in Northern Virginia for over decades to remodel their home in the right way without any cost, delay, or regret. I even wrote a book called Your Dream Kitchen with No Regret, because I believe the real problem of remodeling is not the construction phase. It is the lack of a complete plan. Here's what most people don't realize. Home remodeling rarely fails because of the material or even the budget. They fail because the planning doesn't finish before the demolishing is started. Most remodeling nightmares happen when layout is not finalized, materials are not decided, measurements are not double-checked, a scope isn't clearly defined, and the construction starts. That's when change order happens, delay happens, and budget explodes. So our entire company is built about preventing that. That's why our approach is different. We started from project development plan. This is a structured planning phase where we define everything before the construction begins. We focus on your lifestyle and how you actually use the kitchen, the most functional layout for your home, the design taste and color direction, materials that perform, not just look good, and a realistic investment range. So we start demolishing with clarity, not guesswork. The market is full of wrong information about the material quality, layout, and construction. Our job is not about sell you quickly. Our job is about educating you first, so you can make a confident decision. Here's how we begin. We start from private in-home consultation. In about 1 hour, we elevate your space, explore layout possibilities, discuss design directions, review materials and finishes, and answer your question honestly. This meeting is about clarity, not pressure. During this meeting, we also talk about realistic ballpark investment range. This ensures alignment early before anyone invests in the wrong direction. No vague promise, no hidden surprise later. If at the end of the consultation you feel confident and you want to move forward, the next step is entering to project development agreement. This is not a construction commitment. This is a professional planning phase where our senior design team refines your layout, finalizes materials, create detailed 3D design, and build a complete roadmap. It will protect you from rush decisions, costly mistakes, and remodeling regrets. Because this process is handled personally by our senior team, we intentionally take on a limited number of projects each month. This allows to maintain design quality, attention to details, and a true white gloves delivery. If you are serious about your home remodeling and you want professional structured process, schedule your private in-home consultation below.